Can you tell me who this is? Who is that?
Grandma.
Great Grandma. Very good.
Grandma.
And Grandma. Can you see? Do you know who that is? That's Ashley when she was little. And who's that right there?
Grandma. Get Grandma.
Very good, baby.
Grandma.
And that's Grandma. And that is
Grandma.
this one right here?
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Okay. And where does Great Grandma live?
Good hour.
Where does Great Grandma live? Can you tell me? Okay. You want to say goodbye?
Hi.
Can you tell me where Great Grandma lives?
The milk. The milk. Oh, we can.
Yes. I had to whisper that to you, but